Hello friends, warm welcome to my video. Myself S.BENAZIRBUTTO, working as an assistant professor in the Department of Computer Science and Information Technology, Jamal Muhammad College. Today we are going to see about basics of Visual Studio. The agenda of this video is Introduction to Visual Studio, Features in Visual Studio, Editions available in Visual Studio. Now we move on to the introduction about Visual Studio. It is an advanced integrated development environment developed by Microsoft Corporation in the year 1997. Visual Studio Code is most popular because it is an open source code editor for Linux, Mac OS and Windows OS, which is created by Microsoft technical person Enrich Gamma in the year 2015. It supports 36 different programming languages like C++, C#, F#, J#, JavaScript, XML, HTML and so on. This is the slogan for Visual Studio. It is free, fully featured, integrated development environment for students, open source and individual developers. With the help of Visual Studio platform, we can able to create an applications like console application that uses the command line for input and output rather than a GUI. Second type of application is Windows application, an application that runs locally on users' computers. Third type of application is web application. It is a computer program that utilizes web browser and web technology to perform tasks over the internet. And then fourth application is mobile application, a computer program that runs on a mobile device. Apart from this, we can also able to create game application, cloud-based application and so on. Now we move on to the Visual Studio features. The features are code editor, debugger, designer, other tools and extensibility. Code editor. It supports syntax highlighting and code completion using IntelliSense. It supports to set bookmark in code for quick navigation. Background compilation does not generate executable code. The second feature is debugger. It works both source level as well as machine level debugger. It works both managed code and native code. It is used to set breakpoint, which allows execution to be stopped temporarily at a certain position. The third feature is designer. Windows Form Designer. It is mainly used to build GUI applications. WPF Designer. It mainly used to support drag and drop metaphor. Web Designer. It is used for developing ASP.NET application and support some of the languages like HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Class Designer. It is used to author and edit the classes using UML modeling. Data Designer. It can be used to graphically edit database schema. Mapping Designer. It is used to link to SQL to design mapping between database schema and the class. The fourth feature is other tools. Open tab browser. It is used to list all the open tabs. Properties editor. It is used to edit properties in an GUI panel. Object browser. It is a namespace and class library browser. Solution Explorer. It is used to manage and browse the files in a solution. Team Explorer. It is used to integrate Azure DevOps into an IDE. Data Explorer. It is used to manage database on Microsoft SQL Server. The last feature is extensibility. It allows developers to write extensions for Visual Studio to extend its capabilities. Packages are created using the Visual Studio SDK and provide the highest level of extensibility. The last topic is Visual Studio Editions. Community. It is oriented towards individual developers and small teams. Professional editions. It provides an integrated development environment for all supported development languages. Enterprise edition. It provides a new set of software development, database development, collaboration, matrices, testing and reporting tools. Thank you.